A use of force expert says former officer Derek Chauvin was justified in pinning George Floyd to the ground because he kept struggling. The witness, Barry Broad, testified Tuesday for the defense in Chauvin's murder trial. He contradicted a parade of authorities from both inside and outside the Minneapolis police force who said Floyd used excessive force and violated his training. At one point, he suggested that if Floyd was being compliant, he would have had both hands in the small of his back and just be resting comfortably. That prompted an incredulous response from the prosecutor, who said Floyd was moving because he was struggling to breathe by shoving his shoulder into the pavement. The defense began presenting its case after 11 days of prosecution testimony. The attorney for the police officer on trial has revisited the disputed concept of excited delirium. The issue resurfaced Tuesday as the defense takes on one of the biggest issues in the case, whether the force that Derek Chauvin used against Floyd was objectively reasonable given his resistance. One officer at the scene can be heard asking whether the struggling Floyd might be experiencing excited delirium. Nicole McKenzie, a Minneapolis police officer who trains others, told the jury that new officers are taught how to recognize the signs, but Judge Peter Cahill cautioned jurors that there is no evidence that the veteran Chauvin had the training.